welcome to the first episode of Happy Me, Happy You Cooking with
Ben.
Yes, Ben. And today
Yes.
we'll make pizzas! Yay! So we bought the ingredients, so it's just pizza bases. You can use any pizza base as long as it's not moldy. Yeah, pepperoni
Cheese.
and cheese. And of course,
What
I think the camera's here, Ben. Yeah. Pizza sauce. Yes. All right.
Yeah.
What do we do?
I don't know. Yeah.
Christ.
Fuck.
Scissors. We'll just use our hands and a knife. Then you're in the camera.
Yeah.
I'm putting cling wrap over the
Okay.
bacon, so
No, don't move the camera. In the camera, come on, man.
There. How?
There.
How?
Yeah, one by one.
Zane.
Okay.
What that?
No, wait. Oh, that's just the.
No.
What's that?
Come on.
the oven.
Hey.
All right.
Shit.
Okay. That's how you take the lid off.
That.
Yeah, Ben's gonna put some sauce
Ben.
on the pasta, not too much. And then since we don't have a brush, we will use Ben's toothbrush.
Yeah.
No, I'm kidding. No, that's enough. All right. Ah, that's a lot of sauce. All right, we just have to use this.
Ow, me, yo.
You know what to do? Right. So this is simple.
Move.
So Zane is now
Chopper.
putting
Yes.
some sauce. Yep. Yeah. And then stop holding the camera, Ben. Next is
Here.
Zane will put
Here. More. Okay.
anyway, just do it.
Yeah.
All right, here's Ben.
Ben.
He's gonna put the pepperoni
Ready. Stop
on the pizza. There.
Huh?
There you go. There you go. There you go. All right, that pizza's done. So Ben's gonna put the pizza
Ben is mine.
on this baking tray that we
Hey,
cooked the bacon
hey.
with. Huh?
Really, Jane.
I don't know what he's doing.
Yeah.
So, yeah, just
I'm
put
watching.
Yeah, just wait. Okay. So put the pizza. Slowly. Ah! All right, guys. Now the pizza's ready. These two guys will get the pizza from the oven. We'll have to
I
there for
thought
that.
you were helping.
How?
Yeah, I am. I'm just sitting here. All right, I am helping. All right, so we're gonna get the pizza. So who's gonna stay here, Ben? Oh. Oh yeah, that's a smart move because we don't want to burn our hands.
No.
Yeah. All right, so Zane is opening the oven. Don't touch the camera. Alright, thank you for watching our video. If you like more of these videos, please click on the subscribe button below so Google will pay us. Right? Yes. Here's Pat, Zane, and
Ben.
Ben signing off. Bye bye.